Well, hey guys, Greg with the G Bogger Adventure Chronicles. Welcome to the channel. I'm back at it again with Greg.
My high school buddy Greg.
Yeah, we are actually up by the Manistee River Trail, and we're going to hike down to a little area called Sara's Falls, and we're going to hopefully get a campsite right around there and spend the night and have a great time. So anyways, won't you join us? Sara Falls. We're gonna head our way down there and hopefully get the campsite right by the falls there. That'd be pretty nice. Pitching the tent, sleeping the night, listen to the falls running down. That'd be pretty cool too. Plus, we can actually take a little bit of a hike and get some really nice vistas of the Manistee River on this side. So that'll be kind of cool too. But anyways, temperature right now, last time I looked, we're right around about 80 degrees. I think it's a little bit cooler than that now because the sun is kind of getting a little lower in the sky. But anyways, yeah, about 80 degrees roughly. Perfect weather. Blue skies, everything. So should be a great time. As far as the agenda, pretty much that's it. We're just going to go down to the Manistee River and pitch camp down at the waterfalls down there, the Sara Falls. Get our camp set up and basically just sit and relax. Should be a fun overnighter. We only really have about a half mile to a mile walk, so it's not like it's a super long walk to get down here, but it's still pretty, even if it's a short little hike. Still gorgeous out. So anyways, catch you down at the falls. Yep, we have made it to the falls. Right down there. Get a little closer view of it. Coming down to there. And running through here. And she continues on down that way to the Manistee River. As you can see, it's all clay. along the edge of that. So they named this falls Sara's Falls, but they're actually really known as Claybanks Falls because obviously they're running down, cutting into the clay. It goes down there, meanders the way around, and over there is the Manistee River. We've got our campsites figured out. The falls are right over there, just over that little hill there, and Greg's going to set his tent up right there, and I'm going to set my tent up right in there. Hopefully we don't get too much rain that I get flooded out, because there's a little stream right behind me. You can see it kind of right through there. There's a stream that meanders behind me, almost like a spring, because it's just really all mushy right here, and then all of a sudden you got the water, so it's kind of like a spring, which could very well be. And then the actual Manistee River Trail continues on there, and it comes from across that bridge that we were on, and over here is the campground marker 2B right there. We got a nice little fire pit right here, a little bit of firewood there, a nice fire pit, and then we got that view. That's gorgeous. It's got a great view. Yep. So anyways, time to get camp set up. And today, or tonight, I'm gonna sleep in my nature hike, Star River. Okay, I got the tent all set up except for the fly. I'm going to show you the tent without the fly. It's right there. It's kind of nice. It's got the plastic nylon sides that come up quite a bit, so it helps protect you from the wind if you do use it later in the fall or early in the spring. And all the mesh is up to the top, which is kind of nice. And it is a two-person, is what they say, but again, a two-person tent is really a one-person tent comfortably. So anyways, yeah, everything's, let me get the fly on now. And there she is, all set up with a fly. Very easy tent to set up, that's for sure. A lot of these self-standing or freestanding tents, they set up very, very easily. So let's get everything inside the tent. Rain jacket, food bag, sleeping clothes, and my ditty bag, along with my Nemo pillow, thermarest, knee-wear, mattress pad, and my puffy coat in case it cools off. And last but not least, my big Agnes sleeping bag. Air mattress and sleeping bag all set up. Love these oversized pillows. Yes, I do. Well, the reason that I brought my rain jacket, I typically would bring one along with me, but looks like we're going to have some thunderstorms starting about midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, and then continue on till daybreak. And then it's supposed to still rain yet, so I'm going to go to hike out of here. So I brought my rain jacket just to be on the safe side. Man, I love these Dyneema bags. I got these from Ultra Trail Light sacks. I love these things. These are nice and light. They're very durable. I can see through them, so I see what's inside them, which is really nice. As you can kind of see, like in that one there, you can kind of tell what's all inside there without having to open it up. This makes it a lot nicer. There, tent's all set up. Nice and roomy. This tent is definitely nice and roomy, that's for sure. Camp is all set up, so we're going to go for a little bit of a hike. So anyways, Buddy's ready to go for a walk to get settled down, right? Campsite 2A. When you do hike the Manistee River Trail, you do need to stay at the campsites if you can. That's kind of the rule of the way. This is campsite 2A. And again, nice little fire pit area. Lots of areas for tents. Got a great view of the river. We got, looks like a tent or something up there in the tree to stash for the day. Hike, just hiked a little ways just to check out some of the vistas, and they're gorgeous. So anyways, I think right now we're gonna hunker down and relax, have a beer, build a fire, cook some food, and we'll go from there. A little bit wet. That's quite the fancy wick configuration you got there.
Yeah, my grandpa used to do something very similar to that, but you can buy those on Amazon now. It's
just a wick? And
all it really is hemp rope that's got a little wax in it.
Oh, okay.
And then, see, you just pull it out, you can put it out like that.
Huh.
You just pull it back.
That's pretty cool.
And you just unwind it a little bit, and you can light it right up. This works really good with a flint, too.
Oh, okay.
You know, you just unwind it, you just hit it with a flint,
hit it with a flint, and it fires up. Yeah, that paraffin wax.
Yeah.
Oh, cedar. It's all cedar swamp out here.
There went the teepee.
Sorry, man. Okay, let's see what we got here. Greg brought us some beer, so I gotta see what we got in here.
Surprise.
Surprise. And he's even got them in a nice koozie, so they stay nice and cool too. And this here happens to be a Modelo.
Oh, I went between the Modelo and one other. And I guess
right
I decided on the Modelo.
What is that, a Chichella Espelata?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Wow, let's see what this tastes like. It's tomato. It's like a tomato juice beer.
Chelada. That's probably what chelada.
Chelada tomato. This is really, really good.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's kind of on the tune of a
Chelada Especial with refreshing flavors of tomato, salt, and lime.
Wow.
Yeah. This is actually a really good treat.
This is a breakfast drink.
It's a breakfast beer. Breakfast beer. Well, anyways, guys, hey, cheers. There we go. We got some sirloin fillets right here. And it's kind of nice because they're actually hermetically sealed, so it makes it nice for traveling. And then along with that, I made up a vegetable foil pack. Dinner's done. Check it out. Oh yeah. Tastes really good. What do you think, Greg?
Yeah. Did a good job.
Yeah.
Greg.
Good.
Thank you.
Nothing better than eating steak and veggies over campfire. Makes it really, really good. So anyways, we're gonna sit here, finish our meal, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Well, hey guys, it's been a great evening sitting by the campfire. It's about 10 o'clock right now, a little after 10, and Greg just headed back to the camp with Buddy to his tent. He's gonna call it a night. So I think I'm just gonna sit around the campfire here for probably about another 10-15 minutes and probably do the same thing. Now it's gonna be interesting because tonight, right around midnight or so, we're supposed to start getting some rain, and then it's supposed to get more and more rain and potential thunderstorms and everything right through morning. So we could be packing things up in the rain, and it could be kind of a wet hike out. But luckily, we only have about a half-mile hike out of here, so it won't be so bad. So it's kind of strange. Been on the Manistee River Trail twice this year, and it appears that both times I'm gonna be dealing with the rain, but that's okay. I love it. So anyways, if I don't talk to you in the tent, I will see you in the morning. Good night, everybody. Oh, hey guys, guess what? It's raining. The last time I was here, it rained. So anyways, yeah, we're all packed up. We're getting ready to head out right now. So we'll see you at the truck. Well guys, we made it out. So anyways, how's your first night, Greg, with the rain?
Hey, it was all part of the adventure.
It's all part of the adventure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We had a great night. It was beautiful weather yesterday.
Yeah.
Woke up to a little rain this morning, no biggie.
Yeah, no biggie. And that tent kept you dry too. That's a good thing.
I love that Nemo. Love it.
That's good, yeah. And I had my nature hike, as you saw, and I really like that. I know that one stays dry. So I've had that in several rains, but I've had that one a lot. It's my go-to tent. So anyways, with that, this is the end of the video. We'll see you next time. This is Greg with the G-Bacher Adventure Chronicles and Greg. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day and happy camping, guys. Bye-bye.